So in our last class, we discussed up to the application script, right? So today we see the next two scripts here: key script, condition script, data change script, and quick functions also. Okay. So any doubt with the last class?
No.
Okay. So now next we see the key script. Okay. Before creating key script, what I do is I create I take some tanks here. Excel. For showing this example, I need 3 tanks. So I take this duplicate. Okay. Now I double click on the tank and define the tank name. Like tank name like T6 I take here. Okay. Okay. Take it as memory integer. Save. Close. Next one also define. T7. Okay. Save. Close. This one also. P8. Now, so here in key script, when you double click on this key script here you can see we are having this window, and here for key, that is our keyboard keys. Okay, so whichever the button you press along with Control Shift or only a single key, if you want to select, these options are available when you click on this key option. Okay, for example, I'm selecting like Shift plus one more letter I will select here like I. Okay, Shift plus I means when I press Shift plus I, okay, so here we are having some actions. Okay, that is condition type. You can see there are 3 types again. On key down means when you are pressing the key. Second condition is while down means if it is continuously pressed. Okay, and on key up means when you release the key. These are 3 conditions, right? When you are pressing or keep continuously pressing or you are releasing. Okay, there are 3 conditions here. So there are 3 options here. Okay, on key down, continue on pressing the key, or while down means if it is continuously pressed, or when you are releasing the key. So when you release, it comes up, right? So there are 3 options here. So first, on key down, you're like if T6 less than 100, then T6 is equal to T6 plus 1 semicolon, and if semicolon. Convert. Okay, convert means this updating is to capitals. Okay, validate means checking for the errors. Okay, there's a difference here, convert and validate. Then Control C. Similarly for while down means continuous execution. Okay, Control V. I just change the tag name 7. 7, 7. Okay, for every like 500 milliseconds you want to execute, convert. Next, just change the tag name. Validate. Then save this key script. Okay, then say okay. And if you want to display the text also for this tag, just select the letters here, text, duplicate, duplicate. So for this, what you need to take value display analog. Okay, so T6, this is T7 and T8. Okay, okay. The series execute, save, and go to runtime. Okay, so here I have selected my keyboard functions, okay, buttons. So here I am pressing shift plus I. Okay, shift plus, I'm pressing shift and then I press I. There's only one time I am pressing. Okay, so middle one I am pressing it continuously. So middle one is continuously executing here. If I release, okay, you can see when I press release, press release, press release, one by one it is. Are you getting here? If I continuously press, the middle one only will be executed. If I press release, when I press, left one will be executed. When I release, right one will be executed. Continuous press, middle one will be executed. So these key scripts are also for all the windows. Means whatever the tag you use with all the other windows, okay, they will be executed parallelly. So not only one key script, you can create many key script for different shortcut keys if you want to use. Okay, so you can use this key script. So when I say here key, expand this, you can see shift plus I. For this we have written one script. If you want to write for another buttons, okay, another keyboard buttons, you can add one more new, right click on key, add new. Okay, this way you can add more key scripts here. Okay, shortcut keys, because most of the people like they know shortcuts, so they want to use this key options also. Okay, that is about the key script. Next example is condition. So what is condition? Condition means here we are comparing. Okay, comparing two values that can be equal, that less than or greater than, right, or less than equal to, greater than equal to. So for this also we are having some condition types: on false, on true, or while false, while true. While means here it is always continuous. Okay, continuous if you want to execute, say click. Okay, so here we are having four options. On false, on true, only for one time. Okay, only one execution. While false, continuous execution. Okay, so for example, I define one more tag like T9. Okay, T9 greater than some value like 50 means on true condition. Okay, I define some tag like light 1 is equal to, or is like lamp is equal to 1. Means if its tag 9 value is more than 50, okay, greater than 50, then one lamp should be on. So I'm taking one example here, on true. So when I validate, it is asking to define lamp, okay. So it should be a discrete because lamp is digital, on or off, right? So I take it as a discrete. Whereas for T9 also, it's an integer, memory integer, save, because it is a value we are comparing, okay. So T9 is a integer. Now on false means if the condition is false, the same lamp value should be 0, status should be 0, it should go off. On false means if T9 is value is less than 50, okay, then this lamp will be off. Save, okay. So for this I take one slider, vertical slider, and one lamp from wizard. Double click on slider. Here I take a tag name like T9, okay, and for a lamp, lamp name I given, right? Okay. Now I save this, check in the runtime. So when I move this slider, so the slider value you can see here, the level is up to 20 right now. So when I cross 50, so condition has become true, right? So light is on. So if I go below 50, condition becomes false, so output is off. So like this you can write for some conditions here in the condition script. So not only one condition, you can add more conditions here. It's like your condition can be comparing two sliders by using and or condition also. Just like and T10, okay, one more tag I define, T10 greater than 50 means both the tag levels are greater than 50, then only should make the lamp on. So this one also define memory integer, save, close, okay. So I duplicate one more slider and change the tag name to T10, okay. Now here for value also I can just duplicate this for this one, another one I will take duplicate, take it for this next slider. Double click, change this tag name to T9, here T10, okay. Only one output, I am having two conditions, okay. So runtime, now here it is 43, so when I go beyond 50, this lamp is going on? No, because the second condition, okay, which is in AND condition. So when this is also crossing 50, then only the lamp will be on, the condition will be true. See, when both are above 50, then only condition will be true, so output will be on. If anyone goes in less than 50, the condition goes false, so it is off. Are you getting here? Or not only and condition, you can use or condition also. For this two, or condition means if any one tank level is slider level is more than 50, then lamp should be on, that way. Okay. Or if you have to execute any logic continuously, say just like if tank less than uh, level, okay, if you want to keep on increment, like if like T11 less than 100, then T11 equal to T11 plus 5 semicolon, and if for every like 1 second, validate, define this T11 as integer, close, save this. And one more thing, on while false agree, no, okay, what I do is I make it, if it is false, make it minus. 1 second, I just copy this, control C. If it is greater than 0, validate. If it is condition is true, while true, continuously true, then it should increment. Okay, you can change the time for this also. Validate, save. Okay, see, when this is crossing 50, oh sorry, I need to take some indicator. So for this I take a value, analog is T11, so we see with the value here. So when I increase this up to 50, see the condition is true, continuously true, so it is incrementing this value here for every 1 second. If the condition goes false, it start decrementing. Okay, so this way also you can write the scripts using condition, greater than, less than, and condition, or condition. Okay, that is about the condition scripts here. So any doubts here? Yes, any doubt? No doubt. Okay, so we see the next script here, data change. So what is data change? It's just like if anyone changing value, or just like if I have some set point, okay, just like for example we are having a AC. In AC, if we set a temperature 24 degrees centigrade, or I want from temperature 22 or 16, right? So one person has set it to 24, so another person is changing that to another value like 22 or 21. So when that values change, okay, when that values change, you need some indication, okay, some execute if you want to execute any script, okay, that also you can do using data change. When any data is changed, what you should do, okay, you can just like increment or display some output, okay, LED, okay, lamp indicator, like that. So for which tag means whatever tag you select, not only the new tag, means like analog tag especially, okay. So like I use the tag name like T9, okay, this one this ladder tag name I'm using. When I'm changing this tag name value, okay, I want another lamp like lamp 2 to be 1. Okay, lamp 2 should become 1. Okay, so validate. So okay, define this lamp 2 also as a memory discrete. So okay, save, close. Okay, then save this one. Now, but when this is executing and making the lamp to 1, okay, it is setting the lamp to on. Okay, so for that what we need to do is we need to reset also. Lamp 2, you need to reset the lamp. So I take another button to reset that condition. I just give the name, substitute string, lamp off button. Okay, double click here. What option we have to select here? Touch or push button. Action also you can use. Okay, here you can remove the previous one. Lamp 2 equal to 0. This option you can use, or other option in discrete value also you can use. Okay, it's like duplicate this. Instead of action you can use discrete value also. Discrete value for what? Lamp 2. For this tag lamp 2 you need to reset. Okay, you just need to reset. Say okay. Reset means off. Okay, there are two options. See, when I change data, okay, when I move this ladder, data is changed. Even if one value is changed, your lamp will be on. So when to make it off, okay, you can use this option button. See, use this also. Okay, so that is the condition for data change script. Are you getting here? Okay, so these are the different types of scripts. Okay, you can develop scripting here. Okay, using these script types.
Show me the script of data change. Script.
So just expand this.
Tags, etc. Tag
Nothing,
T9.
just give a tag name for which tag value is changing. I want some indication. So I'm using lamp. So lamp 1 will be on. If anybody is changing data value, the lamp should come on, some indicator should be on, some horn should be on, like that.
Okay. Next one. Next. Reset. Okay.
This one I use for button action. You can simply give it here as 0, or another example, you can use discrete value reset button. Okay, so these are the data change scripts. Now next option is quick function. So what is this quick function? So here quick function is like for some quick applications, like if I had to do some calculations, okay, especially addition, subtraction. Okay, so in that case I cannot means uh, always make a addition subtraction conditions. Okay, so here I can make this function only one time, and you can call that many times with the different tags. Okay, just you have to enter the tag and you have to continue. So like that you can create this quick functions here. Okay, for addition subtraction, like that. So how to create this? So I just save and close this window. I create a new window here. before going to this, I double click open quick function. This window will appear. In this, you can give a function name first. Okay, so like what function you want to create, like add function. So I give the name as add. In this add, how many values you want to add, like 2 values, 3 values, 4 values. Okay, that arguments, number of arguments you have to enter. Like I want to define some arguments like a, enter, b, enter. Okay, a and b, only 2 arguments I want to add. Okay, so here in this window below, we have to just say c equal to a plus b semicolon. Then below we have to type return c semicolon. Validate this and define c as memory integer, save, close. Okay, then save this window, say okay. That's it. Now for display purpose, for changing the value, I take sliders here. For addition, I take this text, sign plus sign, and one more text as equal to then another text value 00 for displaying your added value. Okay, now so double click, our value will be, tag name is c, result is c. Okay, say okay. Now double click on the slider, define our tag names for a and b as memory integer. Okay, save, close. Similarly for this, now next thing, we need to call that function in our Windows script. So I click in the window, go to the Windows script. So here while showing, okay, just go to while showing, take any time. Here we are having some functions. Okay, in that you can see quick option is there. When you click on this quick, it is showing our created function add. Select that quick function. You can see here it is calling that function a as integer, b as integer. Just remove this. Okay, can remove the spaces also. Then validate this, validate, and then say okay. That's it. Okay, save it, then check in the runtime. So when I change any value here, see, so when I increase both, 100 plus 100, 200. If you want to display the value also for the sliders, you can take text, duplicate, duplicate, just check here. So why I'm using these sliders here, we can use this user input also, but there is a problem with this property, okay, due to the license problem. So last time we have seen now, when I tried to give this property, laptop got hang. Okay, so that's one problem. So I'm not using this one. If we are having a proper license version, then we can use this. So here only for display I'm using like A and B. Save. Okay. Okay. Are you understanding here?
Can we use these functions in data script, data change script?
Uh, Data change script. Okay.
Yeah, can we use these functions in data change?
Means this quick function.
Yes, can you use it in data change? Like while it changed
Yeah.
while it is true, can you call these functions?
Yes. You can, as you are using this tag names, no? In data change,
Oh,
you
hmm.
have to just define a tag name for which tag name. If anybody changing that tag, that value, okay, moving some slider or making entering some value, right? That is linked to a tag. So that tag is changing what you want to execute, like some LED lamp should be on. Okay, some display should be on, just like I shown you one example, right? This one.
Yeah, can you
Yeah.
add, you just created that add function, right? Can you use it here
Yes.
also?
Yes, we can
Okay.
use like for quick function here, right? So data change script, double click, scripts, new. You can add one more script. Okay. For which tag name, like what's the name we are given? A. Then another lamp I will use, lamp number 3. Validate, define this. Data change script is also for the total application. Save. Okay. Means anyone are changing this value. So lamp 3. Okay. Save. See, when I change the value here, even one value is changed, that condition becomes true. So the output comes on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So these are the quick functions. So these are about the scripts. Okay. So today we stop here. Tomorrow we
I
see with
downloaded
the.
the software to install. Today I will give the access to my laptop.
Okay. 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 We'll be there in 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll send you the recording for this also. I think last class recordings also I need to send. All I will send one at a time. Okay. So we continue tomorrow when maybe 2 more classes hardly. 4 more, 3 or 4 topics are there that we'll cover. Okay then. See you tomorrow.